Today we're showing you a Massey Ferguson 2605 tractor. It's a 2-wheel drive tractor. Has right at 1,500 hours on it. It's a 2010 year model. Has 38 horsepower. The tractor's just been serviced. It's got the front grill guard with it. Paint's in nice shape on it. Perfect size for raking hay or brush hogging. A couple minor scuffs in the hood here on the right hand side. It's got the 8-speed transmission, high-low, and then 4 gears. Tires are excellent. Rear work light. It's got the stabilizer bars and the 3-point arms. 540 PTO. Top link and toolbox are there. Again, perfect size tractor for property maintenance or raking or tedding hay. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.